Hello everyone, I'm Giacomo Lozzi, Senior Project Manager at ENOL, the European Network of Living Labs. In this presentation, I'll delve into the critical topic of transitioning European cities into smart and sustainable communities. We'll explore the role of Living Labs in contributing to this transition and how they support decision-making and policy formulation. In particular, we look at how integrating the Living Lab methodology into local pilots can significantly enhance the efficacy and impact of data spaces experimentation. First of all, a definition of Living Labs provided by ENOL. Living Labs are open innovation ecosystems in real-life environments based on a systematic user co-creation approach that integrates research and innovation activities in communities, placing citizens at the center of innovation. Data spaces offer immense potential, but require community involvement for successful implementation. So, how can we do that? To address complex problems, we must engage citizens, companies, research communities, educational organizations, and public sector in collaborative solutions. Living Labs in the urban context serve as orchestrators, bringing these stakeholders together through co-creation. Co-creation involves collaboration among these actors to develop shared solutions. Urban Living Labs are defined differently by various researchers. Despite this, what is common in all these definitions is that the innovation should be developed in a real-life setting, and the city should be considered as the development context. Moreover, one of the core premises of Living Labs in urban context is to engage citizens in the process of development of a solution, starting from the beginning of the process. The aim of citizen engagement is to give citizens the opportunity to decide on the solution that will affect their life later on. As we just saw, a crucial aspect of Living Labs methodology is the involvement of various stakeholders. Data spaces could be viewed as digital platforms where the co-creation and testing of data sharing solutions occur. Data spaces embody the essence of data sharing, acting as the platforms where data exchange occurs seamlessly among various stakeholders. The foundation of effective data sharing within these spaces is trust, which is built over time through transparency, security, and ethical data handling practices. This trust facilitates structured collaboration where stakeholders can engage in meaningful dialogues, share insights, and work collectively towards common goals within a well-defined framework. So, as this structured collaboration evolves, it can evolve into a permanent Living Lab ecosystem that is a dynamic and innovative environment where continuous co-creation, testing, and refinement of data-driven solutions take place. Through this integrated approach, data spaces evolve from being a mere platform for data exchange to ecosystems where trust and collaboration fuel the sustainable development of digital solutions. Living Labs can be used as a framework to conduct user-driven research within data spaces to better understand the needs and the expectations of the urban communities. Also, the Living Lab approach is useful to integrate feedback loops to continually refine the data solutions based on real-world use and feedback. Then, pilots could provide a platform for testing new data-driven solutions in real-world urban settings, helping to identify potential issues and areas of improvement. They can promote innovation by allowing experimentations with different data models, analytic tools, and digital solutions. Accelerating the development and deployment of new technologies and services within data spaces is the main target of the DS4SSCC deployment project, which will build on the legacy of the DS4SSCC preparatory action. Utilizing the Living Lab methodology to test and refine these technologies, ensuring they meet the needs and expectations of the local communities, is key. This is in line with the broader Living in EU movement, of which Data Spaces is part of, that promotes digital transformation following an approach driven by citizens and centered around citizens, identifying cities as open innovation ecosystems. Thanks for listening. Enjoy the rest of the training program.